What comes to your mind when you hear the word Japan? Maybe you think of its beautiful country, maybe you think about its nice people, or even anime. But one thing that stands out about Japanese is their school uniform. In this day and age, everyone knows about Japanese school uniform as it become part of Japanese pop culture. Today, we want to explore the history and impact of Japanese school uniform. In Japan, school uniform is worn from middle school to high school. They didn't wear any uniform in elementary school. They usually just wear casual clothes and oftentimes accompanied by red backpack called rando seru. Gakuran and sailor fuku are considered one of the classic Japanese uniforms. Today, Gakuran and sailor fuku is used in the middle school. Gakuran is the male school uniform. It is characterized by its black color and long sleeve. For girls, Japan have sailor fuku. Sailor fuku most notable feature is the similarity with early 1900 with sailor uniform. While middle schoolers still using gakuran and sailor fuku, a lot of high school in Japan start shifting into a more modern uniform. For boys, rather than gakuran, high schooler usually use shirt and tie, and sometimes accompanied with vest or an outer. The girls also wear shirt and tie, but sometimes girls' uniform having a big red bow tie instead of usual tie. The girl uniform usually pair with vest or blazer. The Japanese school uniform is modeled in appearance similar to that of the European-style naval uniforms. It was first used in Japan in late 19th century, replacing the traditional kimono. Japanese school uniforms first originated during the Meiji era, when Meiji Emperor opened Japan to a number of Western countries for trade and business. Before that, Japanese students just wore traditional formal clothing to school. As students at the time were typically from relatively wealthy families, girls wore kimono and boys wore hakama. The beginning of Japanese school uniform can be traced back to 1879, when the male children of Japan's nobility, then called kazoku, started wearing uniforms as they attended private schools. For women, the Japanese school uniform tradition started around 1900. For women, the Japanese school uniform tradition started around 1900. Back then, said the uniform was a kimono and hakama. On the boys' side, the trend kept being influenced by rowdy culture. Their dress style came to be known as shibukaji, Shibuya casual, while the youngsters themselves got the nickname Timers. Their wild fashion consisted of long hair paired with leather jackets, sagging jeans, and boots. It created a trend that was quickly picked up by TV personalities, entertainers, and all sorts fashion forward folk. From there on, school uniform trends and styles kept changing rapidly. The Kogel fashion, which started as somewhat of a niche style, went on to become a general trend, at least until people started thinking it was pretty ugly around 2000 and put an end to it. The Gakuran is a traditional Japanese uniform that middle and high school students were required to wear beginning in the early 20th century. This strict Japanese dress code is no longer just reserved for Japanese schools. It can be found in many other areas such as pop culture, rock music, fashion, or Japanese movies. The first appearance of the Japanese student uniform, Gakuran, was in 1879 in Tokyo by the Imperial Family School. 6 years later, it was adopted by Teikoku University in Tokyo, and almost all other educational institutions, colleges, and high schools. For its design, the Japanese were inspired by the uniforms of the former Present Army. The translation of the term Gakuran is very interesting to study. Gaku means student, while Ran means waist. This Japanese word therefore translates to student of the waist. It is so called because this navy blue shirt is also inspired by the French military outfits of the time. France is chosen as the model, as its training system was known to be the best in the world. The sailor suit was originally the clothing of Navy soldiers in Japan after the establishment of the Japan-British alliance. The sailor suit gradually became a school uniform. In addition, during the Meiji Restoration period, Japan was immersed in the idea of a prosperous country and a strong military, and the sailor suit with the meaning of obedience and martial arts was in the line with the Japanese aesthetics. Therefore, Japan's first sailor uniform was directly modified from military uniforms, and it was a real quasi-military uniform, which was officially adopted in Japanese aristocratic schools. Later, Elizabeth Lee, the dean of Fukuoka Women's College in Japan, took the lead in introducing sailor uniforms among ordinary Japanese students. The earliest styles come from the uniforms of the Royal Navy. The sailor uniform today is generally associated solely with junior high schools, since a majority of high schools have changed to more Western-style plaid skirts or blazer. The usage of uniform in Japan brought so many cultural impacts for Japan and for the world. We can divide this impact by major and minor impact. First, let's talk about the major impact created by the usage of uniform in Japan. The most major impact of the usage of Japanese uniform is the birth of a culture called Koromogai. In English, Koromogai literally translates to change of clothes. As we know, Japan has 4 seasons, and each season have their own characteristics, especially in temperature. Koromogai is an activity of changing clothes suitable with the characteristic of the season. For example, using thinner clothes in summer and thicker clothes in winter. Initially, this activity only done by students as they change their uniform. But right now, everyone in Japan do it every time season change, whether they are students or not. The next major impact we want to talk about is how the uniform becoming one of Japan's identity internationally. Although it is inspired by uniform of Western country in 1900, with the growth of Japan's pop culture industry, school uniforms, especially sailor uniforms, have been considered as Japanese clothing just like kimono. The booming of anime, such as Sailor Moon, has also been one of the factors that ingrained sailor uniform or sailor fuku as Japanese clothes, rather than Western clothing. Not only major impact, smaller impact has also been created by usage of uniform in Japan. With the variety of uniform, Japan has a lot of students, especially girls, talking how cute a uniform is into an account when choosing school. With the recognition of the worth of Japan's school uniform, a subgenre of school uniform has been born into pop culture. Whether it is anime, movie, or any other form of Japanese pop culture, there is usually some title that makes school uniform a selling point or a part of character identity. We will never stop if we talk about Japan and its unique things. One of the examples is their school uniforms. Boys and girls uniforms, Gakuran and Sailor Fuku, are actually inspired by the army uniforms. These modern uniforms replace the old and traditional uniforms, which are kimono and hakama. But Gakuran and Sailor Fuku uniform style has been more upgraded. These uniforms are still being worn by the middle school students, but the higher students wear the more modern uniform style, with shirts and tie. In Japan, wearing school uniforms become an identity for Japan to be known globally. The booming and the moment when Japan pop culture rising these days. When everyone sees or even wears the kind of Japan school uniform, everyone will just straight away think about Japan. So, Japan has more chances to be known internationally. And this is one of the unique things that Japan has.